Since the coming of COVID-19 vaccine in the Gambia, it brings the challenge to the people of North Bank region to get vaccinated. North Bank Community Radio went out to find the need to increase the access to COVID-19 vaccine in the region. Landing Ojaji, the officer in charge of Kerwan Health Center, talk about the increased access to COVID-19 vaccine in the region.
Of COVID-19 vaccination will boil down to sensitization. So there should be increased sensitization. Although sensitization has been done, but there has to be continuous sensitization to the general public on the importance of COVID-19 vaccination. And there is also a need to sensitize religious leaders, because since they are very influential people in the community, it's important to sensitize them on the importance of COVID-19 vaccination, so that during their sermon they can raise it there, so that people can get to understand the need to take the vaccines. Okay, and there is also a need to do what we call continuous vaccination campaign. Okay, so that people can be able to take the vaccine, because if it is continuous alongside with the sensitization, so people will be willing to take the vaccine. Some have took the vaccine, some are yet to take the vaccines. But if there is ongoing vaccination campaign, you see, at the end of the day, you'll be able to have the target in the region.
Landing also speak about the killing they are facing in terms of vaccine.
Misconceptions people have with regards to COVID vaccines, you understand? Although there was no trial, there was not enough trial or testing that was done on these vaccines. But we are going by the WHO people are having on the social media. I think there should be a control system, okay, in the media. The government should endeavor to control people spreading out rumor to the communities, so that people can actually, do away with these misconceptions.
Lamin Sedi, the regional disaster coordinator for North Bank region, also speak the increased access of COVID-19 vaccine in the region.
Advocacy is going on. There is a high rate of advocacy from government, UN agencies, and even other stakeholders, the health Ministry of Health. That point needs to be increased, and there is a need to engage the traditional communicators, local authorities, and different stakeholders, so as to we educate ourselves, to ensure that these vaccines are available, and then when they are available, let them be access, to everybody who is due to take COVID vaccine, because it is very important. Because these vaccines, they are not produced in the Gambia here. Most of them have been given to us by donors, WHO, UN, and then you name them, and some of the nations' development partners as well. So I think there's a need to take serious actions to make vaccine accessible to people, and then to let people know vaccines are safe and people can use it whenever they are available at their doorstep.
I am Lamin Esconde, reporting for NBC Radio.